What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please do also like and subscribe. So, my name is Crypto Kid, and I am Forex trader. And this is where I'll be documenting my journey from zero to hero. so, I drop videos every week on my trading journey weekly, and I'm hoping to stay consistent with this and build my channel and also try to build a community. So it's currently Wednesday. It's currently Thursday rather, and I took my first trade of the week. I had to wait till after NFP, which was yesterday, Wednesday. So I had to wait after NFP. And I'm currently in this trade on AUD card. I took this trade about an hour ago. And it's currently running in slight profits. So I had to wait for the 4-hour confirmation. So this is going to be a swing trade. And I'm thinking it either goes to my stop loss or TP tomorrow, not today, because there's CPI tomorrow. So I'm expecting crazy volatility tomorrow being Friday. So I took 2 trades today. The first one already ran to my stop loss, which was GBP AUD. So same thing for GBP AUD. I waited for a 4-hour bearish close, which was my confirmation. So I was looking for shorts on GBP AUD, thinking that the pound is going to be weaker than AUD, Australian dollar. So I got that confirmation. I entered immediately after the 4-hourly close, and then it immediately went to my stop loss. Cancel in the 1-hour time frame, straight to my stop loss. And the crazy thing is that this move was about 60 pips in just an hour. So my stop loss was about 60 pips. So I hope this is not just a week out. But then even if it's just a week out, then I might get an entry tomorrow. So once it's 5 p.m., I am done trading for the day and I'll be off the charts. So it's currently 4:27 and I am only in this trade. The other trade pairs which I'm interested in, but I think I'm not going to get any confirmations from those pairs this week because it's currently Thursday, tomorrow being Friday. If I don't get confirmations today being Thursday, then I am no longer interested in those pairs. And I think CPI might bring those pairs to my particular interest. Then I'll get to enter next week. So this is the 2nd week of February, and these are the only 2 trades I've taken so far this month. I avoided trades last week. Not like I avoided, I didn't really get any confirmations last week. So, and this week I waited for NFP to pass, and then I got my confirmation yesterday after NFK. So I took my entries today. AUD card, GBP AUD. I was also interested in GBP card, but then I did not get any entries today. Although it gave me the confirmation, but I didn't get any entries. So this was like a confirmation of, okay, that price. I was still looking at price coming towards this sell-side liquidity, but then I don't think it wants to do that. So I like to do what it wants to do. I don't give a. I don't give a. You get. So other pairs which you're interested in, Eurocard, same thing. Waiting for confirmation, didn't get any. And Euro GBP, waiting for confirmation, didn't get any. So these are my main pairs for this week. Took a loss on GBP. Let's see how AUD card goes. So as for AUD card, once it's 5 p.m., I'm logging off the charts. I'll set my alerts and then I'll be back tomorrow, Friday, by London session, 8 a.m. and then look at the trades. AUD moves very crazy during Asian session, midnight. So anything can happen from now until leading up to London session next week. So I'll keep an eye out for AUD once a daily candle closes. I'll see how daily candle close. So I'm still hoping for a distribution. The distribution to continue. So the whole, I find like following the trend, and then I got my confirmation last week. So I'm hoping for price to continue the distribution. So this price liquidity. So this is like a swing trade, and I'm hoping it's going to get to I take profits by tomorrow. For whatever the case is, I'll set and forget. So I'll update you all tomorrow if I take any other trade, and this particular trade, I'll drop an update by tomorrow. So it's currently Friday, 8 p.m. and trade updates. The trade stopped me out yesterday. I think 2 hours later, around 7 p.m. Trade stopped me out. So, and I did not re-enter. As you can see, I was wrong about the trade idea and I accepted the loss and moved on. But again, I made a mistake. I did not actually make a mistake. I followed my plan and I added another position to my GBP AUD trade, and that also went to my stop loss again. And that's 3 losses for me to start off the month. So all good. Knowing full well that I followed my plans, I think I can move on from this without crashing out, because there's this period in the market where, I mean, this is the 3rd year of me trading this particular strategy. Past 2 years has been completely profitable. I came out with more profits in 2025 than 2024, and this year I know fully well that I'm going to come out with more profits because I've done slight optimizations from the losses I've been taking over the last 2 years and then bettered my strategy. But then there's this period in the market where it always happens like that. I think it happened in 2024. It happened late 2024. It happened mid 2025, where for about a certain quarter or a certain month, I usually don't get good price action according to the way I trade markets. I usually don't get good price actions. So it's either price just completely moves, consolidates anytime I get in the market, or price moves opposites from my direction, or price stops me out and I move over there. So there's this certain period where it happens like that. In past 2 years, that it has happened like that. And then what I've come to see, or what I've come to conclude, is that risk management always handles my accounts. Because in 2024, I did not build my accounts, but then I went in deep drawdown when it happened, when that period came. I went into deep drawdown. 2025, it happened mid 2025. I think for a single month, leading to 2 months, I went into deep drawdown also. I was bad with my risk management. I think that period I even increased my risk while I was going into drawdown. And then it was actually bad. But then this period now, last month, I did not become profitable, but at the same time, I was not down bad. I think overall, last month, it was just a single negative 1R for last month, January. This month, I'm down. Same way January started, where January started with 3 losses, then I took a win, recovered my losses, almost went into profit, and then ended the month with -1R. This month now, I'm starting the month with 3 losses, February. So I still know that definitely, the market conditions are going to get better, and I am handling the risk very, very well this time. And honestly, I have improved. That's what I can see from my own end. Looking at my data, I'm seeing improvement. I'm seeing the improvements, and then looking at the market also based on my strategy, I'm seeing the slight changes at here and there. So I'd say I'll keep on staying positive, stick to my strategy, and then let's see how it goes. Risk management always handles the accounts no matter the amount of loss you get. You can get 5 losses in a row, you can get 7 losses in a row. But as far as you're getting those bad losses and your account is still alive, when the winning streaks come, you're going to actually do very, very well. So that's what I have come to conclude, over my past 3 years of now trading. Risk management always handles the accounts. So no matter the amount, no matter the losing streak you're in, risk management, I think it will definitely come out net positive. You get. So let's see how this month's going to go. I'll still come back next week, do my thing. A lot of trades that I had on my watch list, a lot of them, get my point of interest at all. So it was kind of like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was huge movements. Thursday and Friday, markets kept on consolidating. So come back next week, do my thing. I think next week is the 3rd week of February. So we still have 2 more weeks for this month. And definitely I'm going to come out of this month profitable. I'm very certain of that. I'm very, very certain of that. So let's see how it goes. See you on next week. And please, if you're new here, do also smash the like button, subscribe, and follow me on my journey. And hopefully, it's going to be a banger. See you on next week.